Hello from Slovenia again, and welcome to my channel in New Year 2025. Hope will be a good one. And this year will be 6 years since I'm publishing on YouTube, and I will revisit here and there some of my oldest techniques. And for those who know me longer know that I love reverse flower dips, and I will use a zip bag filled with air today to try to do a reverse dip. So this is the plan. I have 10 by 12 inch canvas today, and I will use two little piggy pigments from the new release. This is Luck and Zimzelen. This color is inspired by me. You can get them on Fluid Art Co website and my Modular split cup too if you want one, just a helicopter right under my head. And with all these things, the drones and everything in States, I'm kind of looking into the sky lately, more off topic. Zimzelen is a purple blue shift pigment. I love it. Zimzelen is Slovenian word for periwinkle flower, and this is how it looks. It shifts from blue to violet, and I mix my pigments first. I disperse them with some polyurethane satin varnish by Vallejo, and then I add my pouring medium, and this is my consistency. Basically leaves a few second trace. So this is one of my colors, and the other one is Luck from these little piggy pigments. And I have yellowish green, permanent red violet, permanent blue violet, ultramarine blue, and reflectors rose by Amsterdam. And of course I have my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white and my pouring medium and black for the base. This is my pearl white that I expect that I will get some nice effects with it, and as I said, black for my base. So I will just pour my black base down first. Okay, so my base coat is down, and I will first start with pearl white, where I want some kind of greenery. So I will go like that. Don't forget, we will press our zip bag down, and it will stretch this a little bit, smoosh it, and create something nice, I hope. And my Luck for good luck. Such a brilliant name for this piggy. Good luck with your Luck pigment. Oop, didn't mean to add that much. Okay, and maybe I will add a little more. Okay. And now to the flower. I will start with my pearl white again. So I will have my middle here. Maybe I will grab the little stick. I can already see an air pocket underneath, so I don't know how this will go. So we smashed it down. Oop. Wow, I like it. Yeah. There is a lot of paint in the middle, but with my pouring medium I'm not worried at all. I will just go around a little bit with this black. Correct some parts if I need to, but it's gorgeous already. So these are final touches. You know that you take care of the, I kind of think so. Here she is. Sorry for the glare, but I really like it. Maybe I could do a little more green, and I had some problems, but I love the look of that flower and the greenery fading into the black. You know what, next time I will try to do pour my paints over the flower shaped cup and try to press that Ziploc bag on again. Can't wait to see it dry.